Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I am going to share with you homemade pizza sauce recipe, and it's very easy to make and very delicious. After this video you won't be buying store-bought pizza sauce anymore, and you can store this homemade pizza sauce up to 15 days in a airtight container. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Start making homemade pizza sauce. For that we're gonna need tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I'm using 5 medium-sized tomatoes and cut them at the back. Just slit them in a cross like this, and after that we are going to boil them. So drop them in this hot water, and I'm going to boil them over medium flame for 15 minutes. After that, cool it down. Now after boiling them, it will be easier to peel off their skin. They will easily come off, and cut the head portion like this. I'm gonna peel off all the other tomatoes in the same way, and I'm going to chop 2 of them into fine pieces and cut the rest of them into halves, and separately keep the 2 chopped tomatoes, and rest of the 3 tomatoes I'm going to grind into smooth paste. So take it into a mixing jar and grind it into smooth paste like this. Now we will start making the process of pizza sauce. For that, here I am using 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil if you don't have extra virgin olive oil. Next, add 1 medium sized onion, finely chopped. Fry till they are golden brown a bit like this. Then add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste and fry them for 2 minutes, and do it over medium flame. We don't need to brown them thoroughly. At this stage, add the chopped tomatoes and mix. Then goes the paste of tomatoes, rest of the 3 tomatoes. Over medium flame, let it come to boil. Meanwhile, add salt according to taste, and let it come to boil. Within a minute, they will be simmering like that. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the tartness of the tomatoes. Then add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika, and mix them. Boil it for a minute or so. Then add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. And mix it. Then finally goes fresh basil leaf, 10 to 15 fresh basil leaves. If you don't have fresh basil leaves, you can use dried basil herbs as well. But if you get fresh basil leaf, do use it. Now it's ready. You can see the consistency. This is the perfect consistency. Now I'm going to take it out on a bowl. And our homemade pizza sauce is ready. So do make this recipe and let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video and share the video. Thank you.